This cake is rich and decadent. It's perfect for chocolate lovers. The best part? It's easy to make. This recipe is naturally gluten-free. You'll love its dense and fudgy texture. This cake is perfect for any occasion. Impress your guests with this simple recipe. Let's get baking. 6 ounces good quality dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa solids, chopped. 6 ounces unsalted butter, cubed. 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar, 6 large eggs separated, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 9-inch springform cake pan. Melt chocolate and butter. Use a double boiler or microwave. Stir until smooth. Whisk sugar into the chocolate mixture. Make sure it's well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk egg yolks and vanilla. Gradually add this to the chocolate mixture. Mix until smooth. In a clean bowl, beat egg whites with salt until stiff peaks form. Gently fold a third of the egg whites into the chocolate batter. Fold in the remaining egg whites until just combined. Do not overmix. Pour batter into the prepared pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes. A toothpick inserted should come out with a few moist crumbs. Let the cake cool completely in the pan before serving. Use good quality chocolate. This will give the cake a richer flavor. Don't overmix the batter. Overmixing can result in a tough cake. Let the cake cool completely. This will allow it to firm up properly. Serve with whipped cream and fresh berries. A dusting of powdered sugar is also lovely. Enjoy!